Good morning, babies. You need to drive. This is your last picking day.
Last picking day, guys.
We start first with the whining, and we have the whole field. You can't see it's fog and the sun. They have rats. They find rats. Oh, it was a mouse. Bella killed the mouse. Oh, I don't know what is. Oh. Okay, Bella, it's enough. Oh, we finished our work with this field. And now we drive back and make only the pipes from this field because I did it yesterday and that's enough. Yoo-hoo! Yeah, we need to take these pipes on this side, and that's why we have help from the tractor.
These big ones that come off first, so they can be a little separate.
Oh. Finish, and now I drive back to the farm.
Oh my gosh, look at the line as well from like where you had your leggings.
Yeah, this is the reality. I had socks
How white
and
your toes
this
look.
leggings and what is the name of? Not jeans. My other
Tracksuit bottoms
Yeah.
or joggers.
Yeah, joggers. Woo. This is the farm life. We make our my car waterproof for the rain on Friday. I remember when the water comes in my eyes in the night. Yeah, that's why we make the car waterproof. And we have a baking day. Oh, this looks good. The bread dome looks good. So soft. Banana bread is ready. Now comes bread inside. I need to drive this potato boxes to the other side, preparing it from tomorrow. Babies, can you imagine that I'm today 6 months in Australia? The time flies so fast. I don't realize that, really not. And I did 6 months every day daily vlogs. Yeah, I don't know why I do that, but I like to do that. It's not easy here because I don't have Wi-Fi. I need to drive to McDonald's in the city, but it's okay. I think I will edit more videos today. Tomorrow it will be rainy day. We have to pack. We have 10 bins to pack, but I don't know how much we can do tomorrow. And the pipes are not on the turn, and that's why I think we are fast tomorrow. And let's see what we do tomorrow. wish you good night. See you.